So I'm in here today playing with tools, and this is my old trusty True Temper wrist rocket. And the reason that they call it a wrist rocket is because you're doing just that. You're using your wrist. And so to swing a hammer, you don't cock it and raise it. You basically raise the forearm. It will cock at the top, then lower the forearm, and then it will release into full ulnar deviation. So if I was to bang this mat, it would be this, then that, or this, then that. That's the way you do it. So I'll come back here in a little bit. I've got another club. A hammer that extended the length of the golf club, and this one is a shingle hammer, which I've modified, cut the head, bent it back, got a little loft in it, but there's no reason we can't let the tool do its work. So that's what the intention is. Let it do its work. And that was hammered.